tok jopuonj mbalariany mano mar UASU e mbalariany mano mar Egerton. Obuogo mar bago ng'anyo poni tend mbalariany no ok owinjo ywakgi. Ka giloso kod jofwambo okinyi ma kawuono, jopuonj go ng'ur e wi deko mar keto gi e tim winjruok mago mar higa mar 2018 e wi chulo gowi mar osara kod ng'eto mathoth mar dwe ka dwe. Kendo gidwaro mondo tend mbalariany no ochiw ng'at mabiro kawo kar jalup chancellor ka giwacho ni nitiere paro mar medo thuolo mare mok giyie godo.
The management has prioritized payment of tenders and suppliers at the expense of paying workers' salary arrears and has caused untold workers socio-economic and mental anguish. The management is on record having said that teaching staff are not critical service providers and therefore prioritizing suppliers. One wonders, in a university setup, who are the critical service providers? As we speak, the university has not paid our salary arrears, dating back to 2018, amounting to over 2 billion in what the management now calls pending bills. Yet, selective payment of the same continues, even with the CEO himself being a beneficiary of the same. Who then, we ask, who then will fight for the ordinary workers? Integrity in public offices remains a non-negotiable requirement of public officers by the Constitution, and indeed is one of the core values of Egerton University. During this administration, the university has lost most of its core human capital through massive resignation and mental-related complications occasioned by this financial distress.